Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm all low.
What's good? What's good? It's your girl Diva B, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I service my client with just 2 feed-in braids, okay? And let me tell you all, I struggle so bad with doing 2 feed-in braids. I don't know if it's because I have to put so much hair into one braid, and I already braid like really weird. So once I braid to a certain like thickness, it's like my fingers are just like, now you know. But the result came out beautiful, and so yeah, here we are. As you can see, my client has really nice curly hair. I use 2 packs of expressions braiding hair for this style, and of course I cut the braiding hair in half. Y'all already know I'm like a perfectionist when it comes to parting, so for the edges, I really just like glide my way down. I kind of just like flow with the, with the hairline, just however my client's edges flows, or if I have to actually improvise to make to enhance their edges. So, if you all been watching my channel before, in previous videos, I talked about my little rough drafts and my final drafts when it comes to parting for feed-in braids or just different things like that. Well, that's also with the edges as well. I go and do a rough draft for the edges, and then once I'm done with the style itself, I go back and touch up on the edges again with more of the edge control and other products that I will be showing you all later in the video. So one thing I do want to stress to you all is, It's very important that you blow your hair, you blow dry your hair completely straight, like blow dry it out. Like, I've had clients say, well, I don't put heat to my hair. Okay, that's fine. Use the blow dryer and put it on cool. But I need your hair blow dried fully straight, because feed-in braids, if your hair is not blown out fully straight, you can tell in the style. You can tell by the client's actual hair sticking out bad. It's not blending in well with the braiding hair. It's tangling bad. Your stylist fingers is cramping up. They already got to do real thick braids, and then you come and your hair is not fully, detangled all the way. But thankfully, my client in this video, her hair was really soft and for the most part manageable. So I was fine with that, because y'all already know if I wasn't, then and another major key factor when it comes to doing two feed-in braids in particular, again, if your hair is not fully blow dried straight out, when the stylist goes to style your hair with the two braids, it may not look as like top quality, or at its best as it should be, because your hair is not, you haven't followed, the guidelines to how your hair is supposed to be prior to being serviced. So I just want to stress to people, like, the littlest thing can change a service of feed-in braids. Like, the smallest thing, like, y'all wouldn't even believe. And again, as you all can see, my edges down there are starting to mess up a little bit, but that's why I was saying early in the video, I do my rough draft first, then my final draft on the edges as well. And as you all can see, the braid is getting thicker, and I was just struggling just a little bit more each time. But we got through it, I gotta come through. And I'm just leaving the couple of strands at the bottom. If y'all notice, I'm leaving those strands out just so it won't cause like a lot of tension. And later on in this video, I'll be taking the strands and actually curling them up so they won't look, straight in the back like that. But I just want to let you all know now, I actually recorded footage of the end result of this style. Well, I thought I did, and I didn't record it at all I caught was pictures, so I apologize. I don't know how I didn't press the record button. I don't know, but I didn't get, the actual video footage of the end of the style after I took my client from under the dryer. Right now, I'm just touching up her hair itself, the edges. Oh my gosh, look how her hair is just so laid. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, is going back over, putting my finishing touches on. This is where I put the gel on. The gel actually helps to harden the edges, one. And another secret to this gel is when it comes to the product turning white on your client's edges. Now, this only works for a few of the products that I've worked with the whiteness. Like, for example, the Design Essentials Sleek. If you put a lot of that, on to the edges, it'll start turning white. And if y'all notice, I do put a lot of edge control product on my client's edges, but once I put that gel on top, it's like all the whiteness just goes away. Like, the whiteness goes, it hardens. I put the mousse on top with a foam wrap on top, and then after that, I put the black wrap on her, then take her from under the dryer and spray her down with some spritz. And matter of fact, it's also important with 2 feet-in braids that you spritz them down before they go under the dryer as well, to give it a more hardness and longevity to the style. So, like I said, the smallest thing will affect how the hair will look, in the end result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all, please check my previous videos about the giveaway. I'm still accepting, entries. And I'll be uploading soon about what the giveaway will consist of. Maybe. Or I may just announce the winner and then tell y'all the prizes. I'm not sure. Love y'all. Subscribe.